100 oil tankers carrying fuel to reach Imphal anytime soon, while 180 oil tankers leave for Jiribam along with escorts. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam says the pressure given to MLAs of the hill areas to resign is not new. Gai Khangam claims Churachandpur violence occurred due to communication gap and misunderstanding between the people of the state. And the 10th Manipur State League kicks off today at Mapal Kangtebu. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandra Wangkhemcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. The state government, taking serious note of the fuel scarcity in the state, has made a special arrangement to solve the crisis in the state. 508 trucks are left for Jiribam along with escorts today. The vehicles include 61 bullet tankers, 61 oil tankers, 5 ATF and 381 trucks for food and essential items. The Manipur Trucks Owners and Welfare Association expressed that the driver will not ply on the road if the BRO and security personnel continue to assault them in the name of checking. Speaking to media person, Association President H. Ranjit said the government is planning to bring 25 loaded gas bullet tanker, 35 oil tanker and 176 trucks carrying essential items in Jiribam on the 11th of this month. And BRO and security personnel should check these vehicles at Jiribam. He also asked the BRO to repair the stretch of the highway near Makru, which was caved in before the vehicle reached the area.
Thoklakpada hariba bara makrugi area sida ekhoi kari thodoino su khangde soidana imphal yorokpa yanaba makrugi area se hayengmak biaro da semjal lanaba ekhoi hainingi semdi semjan dawma de moi manbugo menga je biaro na suta tabi di ma kana happy mana da happy jante haiba yama je biaro da haire still hujiksu Kainosi biarona thongi saba loire thongi area si mapan si kamai chana dabno aisu khangdebsi aduna yamna kanna honeri haido ainga sai thongi pairabanina man hena hapkragadi akoigi thongi sokhiba yai haidana kanna check tauri yam kanna honeri honabiu kaisu gaide.
Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam said the pressure given to MLAs of hill areas to resign is not new, replying to queries on the sidelines of launching of HL Express, a morning Manipuri daily at Hafiz Hatta Imphal East. Gai Khangam said MLAs are elected by the people's mandate and any organization or pressure group cannot tell them to resign. Gai Khangam said the four Naga People's Front MLAs must have resigned following instruction from the party high command. Speaking on the Churachandpur incident, Gai Khangam said a high-level judicial inquiry will be formed soon.
Akwai vote ka base parjana kan bani maram sadana hector resign to haraga mi khara haraga to kada banate hajare akwai makoi na haiba do khoi usitta banata ba akwai makoi haiba do khoi kari haini thausa da banata ba akwai lumna lojai furup khara na na individual khara na to haraga to kada banate akwai we have high command party geti NPF kambu di makoi high command to haiba oirangani adu akwai high command to hai dia ba maram to phum su thokte parja ge mandate ado ada karigumba issue amadagi hekta parjagi mandate ba khongoina badi madu chummoy.
Regarding the halting of trains in Bihar to surge Manipuri passengers by Papu Yadav supporters, Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam said there has been no case of assault on non-locals, especially people from Bihar in the state. Gai Khangam appealed to all the community in the state to maintain peace and harmony.
Papu Yadav sahib ki do mado laibak thi bani mado ngangbi da banu phai haise bani maram de pilasina karigumba particular community man target tabo so leite madu da kotokpa karitaba leite aji ko mal leirap tar so madu it will be too early to comment on that, to react to that aduna madu here said adu had ngang badu such a responsible person we never expected such a irresponsible statement madu tobida bana phai han haja bani I appeal to janige all of India da leiribe community punamak we have to move freely and we have to settle freely maramaduna maduda akoi apan ba pibe se pihan biganu.
Now, Churchandpur violence occurred due to communication gap and misunderstanding between the people of the state. The statement was made by Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam on the launching ceremony of HL Express at Hafiz Hatta, Imphal East today. Gai Khangam once again maintained that the three bills passed by the State Legislative Assembly to safeguard the indigenous people of the state does not affect the interests of the people of the hill areas. Gai Khangam accused United Naga Council UNC and Naga People's Front NPF of misleading the people. He said UNC in their press note neither supported nor opposed the bill, while NPF earlier had said they supported the bill but later took a U-turn, terming the bill as anti-tribal. Gai Khangam appealed to the media in the state to report news which will not threaten or affect the communal harmony of the state. Earlier, Deputy Chief Minister launched the HL Express, a morning Manipuri daily, as well as website of the newspaper www.hlexpress.org, which aimed to focus on constructive, ethical and quality journalism.
Adik NPF ke President ay ginawin mo Sri Awangong na ILP bill ay support dawi. NPF na support dawi. Ato rin di man na maram o na ay question misunderstanding. Lining ay lady bra sini. Ano husik na U-turn to rakanda bill si NP tribal ni NP for karag NP report naman ni kahit na high percent ay high man magtokadra ay dawi. Kaya gano'n pa tade. Even sila kari high ILP issues dahil ko support sa tawde oppose sa tawde. Ado di issue natin ay na tra. Ado kari kita man to sila. Nawuni issue ay halibano. Ado ka kang basinda kang dasara ka innocent public in the mistake of ganun.
Meanwhile, All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMZU President Wangkemcha Samjai appealed the state government to maintain a Department of Directorate of Information and Public Relations (DIPR) and make DIPR a major department so that news inflow from between the state government and the media organization becomes more effective. Wangkemcha Samjai accused some cabinet minister of showing bias towards few media organizations by taking only few media persons in Moria town in the aftermath of the violence. AMZU President said the second round of tripartite talk will be held very soon regarding the discussion of Majitha Wage Board, which aims to increase the salary of the employees. AMZU President also said a praise sticker with hologram will launch for two-wheeler vehicle and four-wheeler vehicle very soon. Minister of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Francis Ngajokpa today met the Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiran Rijiju and apprised him of the gravity of extensive damage caused to the state. As many as 296 PMGSY roads and bridges covering total length of 479.95 km were washed away during the flood in Manipur. Francis Ngajokpa also met the Union Minister for Rural Development Chaudhry Birendra Singh yesterday and apprised him of the situation. Chaudhry Virendra Singh assured him for providing sufficient funds for PMGSY schemes in Manipur. Union Minister directed him to maintain a quality as well as timely completion of works. Langtabal MLA Karam Sham has written a letter to Lok Janshakti Party National President Ramvilas Paswan on trains being halted in Bihar by supporters of Jan Adhikar Party President Pappu Yadav. Karam Sham said he has been assured by the Lok Janshakti Party that party president will meet Pappu Yadav over the issue. Speaking to media at his residence at Lilong Chajing, MLA Sham said he has also sent a letter to President of National Dalit Sena on the issue and informed that no non-locals, especially people from Bihar, are harassed in the state. He also said Mizoram Chief Minister should not interfere in the internal issue of Manipur. It may be mentioned that Chief Minister of Mizoram had earlier written a letter to Prime Minister Modi asking him to stop the three bills passed in Manipur Assembly. MLA Karam Sham said it is wrong to project Meitei as a communal-centric community. Now, Singhat MLA Ginsan Ho Zo is likely to follow suit and resign from being a member of Legislative Assembly after 4 NPF MLAs resigned. However, sources from Assembly Secretariat said there is no official letter submitted to the Speaker. Mention may be made that Mao MLA El Dikho, Ukrul MLA Samuel Rizom, Chandil MLA Victor Nunglung and Karong MLA Dr. V. Alexander Pao had already resigned against the 3 bills passed in the Manipur State Legislative Assembly. A team of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, Manipur led by President Oinam Malesh, today inspected Thangal Bazaar regarding artificial price rise in the state following the closure of both national highways. After inspecting grocery shops in and around Alugali area, the team found that most of shops were selling grocery items at rupees 5 to 10 more than the original price. Oinam, Malaysia, the selling of grocery items more than the actual price, taking advantage of the closure of both national highways, is unacceptable. Speaking to media person before inspecting the market, Oinam, Malaysia said open mega marathon will be held in Manipur in 2 categories as part of Bharat Swachh Abhiyan on 4th October. He said interested person can get the forms from the BJP office. 17th state-level students science seminar under the theme Harnessing Light, Possibilities and Challenges was organized by Department of Education S Science Unit at Lamyan Basanglen Palace Compound. 23 students from class 8 to 10 of various schools from 9 districts are participated in the seminar. The first position holder of the seminar will represent Manipur in the National Science Seminar 2015, which will be held on October 8 in New Delhi. Manipur University Department of Physics Professor T.H. Jekendra was presided to today's seminar. Speaking at the seminar, Education S Science Promotion Officer R.K. Tenedi said, Education Department, the seminar was organized in order to build scientific temper to primary level students. He said the seminar will give a platform to science lovers. All Manipur NGOs Forum in a press note today strongly condemned the Jan Adhikar President Papu Yadav for his supporters halting trains in search of Manipuri passengers in Bihar. All Manipur NGOs Forum claimed that incident as unfortunate and demanded to the state government to bring an understanding on the matter. A bomb suspected to have been used in the Second World War was found today. The bomb was found from the residence of Oinam Kumar of Maharabi Mayai Lekai. Later, a team of Sangmai police station recovered the bomb safely. And our time for short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. 10th Manipur State League kicked off today at Mapal Kangjebung. FC Zealand Southern Hills win their first league match, defeating Manipur Police Sports Club by 2-0. Pauline Lan Khongsai and Patrick Kakamai scored the 2 winning goals in the 45th and 57th minute of the match. Revenue and Art and Culture Secretary K. Radhakumar IAS, Padmashri A. Aribam Sham Sharma and KH Joykishan along with officers of AMFA attended in the inaugural function. The league tournament is organized by Manipur Football Association under the sponsorship of Kumucham Ingocha Singh Memorial Trust. Nisa Thangmeban and USA Kurai will play in the first match, while AIM Kabam and Neroka FC Sangakpam will play in the second match tomorrow. Now, continuing with the news of football, match between YWC Malom and KSC Nambulen went for goalless draw in the 16th Sawaijam Birendra Singh Memorial Super Division Football League Tournament. While in another match, SU Sagolban beat DM Rao Sekmai by 2-0. Tyson and TH Somananda scored the winning 2 goals in the 26th and 90th minute of the match. The tournament is organized by Imphal West District Football Association at Malom Tera Kha ground. BMSC Tabungkok will take on KSC Nambulen and YWC Malom will play YDO Haino Khongmb on the 11th of this month. SAK Yunam Kuno and YOSC Kurai won their respective matches today in the Maharaj Kumar Ghanendra Manjit Memorial Super Division Football League Tournament. SAK Yunam Kuno beat PYA Kairang by 2-0. O Amarjit and N Jibasan scored 2 goals in the 36th and 40th minute of the match, whereas YOSC Kurai defeated KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal in a similar margin 2-0. Hensa Sora and Warchupai scored the 2 goals in the 49th and 50th minute of the match. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association at Social Worker Congress, Kongman. 11-star SU Akampat will clash with Citizen Club Soibam Lekai, and Upa Kyamgai will play ESU Wangkai tomorrow. Manipur Rifle Association will organize the 3rd Northeast Zoned Shooting Competition 2015 from September 14 to 20 at Imphal under the aegis of National Rifle Association. Around 174 shooters from Northeast will take part in the championship. Manipur Rifles Association appealed to all concerned to make the championship a grand success. Speaking at a press meet held at office of the Manipur Rifles Association, Kumal Lampak, today a senior vice president of the association, M. Raj Chandra, said 85 shooters will represent Manipur and vie for the overall championship. Two books, Evolution of Khuman Lampak Sports Complex at Imphal and Glittering Coins of Wisdom, were released at Manipur Olympics Bhavan, Khuman Lampak today. The books were written by Chingtham Iboton and published by RK Book House, Pauna Bazar. Social activist and sports promoter RK Ranendrajit, retired IAS RK Nimai and Olympian P. Nilakumar attended the releasing function. The book will provide information about Khuman Lampak and will help in building moral values for the youth. 24th Manipur Civil Services Tennis Championship kick started from today at the Equator of Officers Club Lamphilpat. In the first round of the team event, W. Iboyaima of RD and PR Department defeated KSH Lemba of Revenue Department 6-1, 6-2, while G. Arun Kumar of Education Department beat O. Nabikishore of Secretariat Department 6-3, 7-5. And Y. Ibo Tombi of Education Department defeated L. Sharat of Secretariat Department 6-1, 6-2. Teams from 7 departments, namely PHED, Education, Secretariat, Revenue, RD and PR, Agriculture and Medical are participating in the tournament, organized by Manipur Civil Services Tennis Association. 18 participants are competing in the team event, singles event and double events. All Manipur Football Association and a press note informs that All India Football Federation will organize AFC A license course from November 1 to 17 at Kerala. AFC B license holders can apply for the course till September 23 through the website www.aiff.com/coach-education. More details can be availed from the office of the association. Now here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. 100 oil tankers carrying fuel to reach Imphal anytime soon, while 180 oil tankers leave for Jiribam along with their escorts. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Kangam says the pressure given to MLAs of the hill areas to resign is not new. Gai Kangam claims Churchandpur violence occurred due to communication gap and misunderstanding between the people of the state. And 10th Manipur State League kicks off today at Mapal Kangjebung. That's all we have in this section of News Bulletin. Thank you very much for being with us. But stay tuned for the primetime Manipuri news and Manung Khutna. Bye-bye.